Gunmen posing as goat buyers shot a 50-year-old farmer at his home in St. Paul's district in Manchester on Sunday afternoon. The farmer has since been hospitalized in serious but stable condition, the police said. Reported that sometime in the morning the farmer received several phone calls from someone arranging to purchase goats. Around 1 p.m. a silver Toyota motor car drove up in his yard. Two men who alighted from the vehicle, leaving the driver, went to the farmer and told him of their intention to purchase a goat from him. The farmer walked to the pen with the men and was in the process of showing them the goats when both brandished handguns, pointed at him and told him not to move. The farmer ran off and the men fired several rounds in his direction, hitting him in his upper body. The men then escaped in the waiting motor vehicle. The farmer was rushed to hospital. No motive has since been established for the attack, the police said. A 38-year-old man from Westmoreland was charged with wounding with intent after he allegedly used a machete to chop a woman on Sunday. He is Garrett Reed, otherwise called Suki, of Strathbogie District, Savannah-Mar. Reports from the Savannah-Mar police are that about 3 p.m. Reed entered the yard of a woman with whom he had an altercation, armed with a machete. During the argument, Reed used the machete to chop the woman, causing wounds to her upper body. The police were alerted and the woman was taken to hospital for treatment and was admitted in serious condition. Reed was later arrested and charged based on witness statement. His court date is being finalized. 5 people were reportedly shot and injured in the 85-lane community of Walton Park Road in St. Andrew sometime after 5 p.m. on Sunday. It is reported that loud explosions were heard in the area and residents called the police. Upon the lawmen's arrival, 5 people were seen suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds. They were rushed to hospital. The gunmen reportedly escaped the scene. The conditions of the injured people are not yet known. Several vehicles were also damaged by gunshots, report says. A St. James man has been charged for allegedly stabbing a motorist who refused his help along the Coral Garden Main Road in the parish on March 16. 23-year-old Davian Phillips, otherwise called Brother of Grange Pen, Lilliput, St. James, has been charged with wounding with intent. The Coral Garden police say about 9:30 a.m. a man stopped along the roadway to change his tires when he was approached by Phillips, who offered to assist.